From this website, you can create videos like this. You can also create talking video like this.
David, my king, it is your heart that brings me peace.
My love, the weight of ruling this kingdom grows heavier each day.
Hey, I'm Mira and I was created using AI. This particular AI website helps you to animate your images.
In this video, I'll walk you step by step on how to achieve the sample I've just shown you. Now, to access this website, click on the link under this video description and it's going to take you to this website. And when you get to this website, you have access to text to video, image to video, video to animation. You can create an animation from your existing video, that's video of yourself. You also have access to AI animation. Then you have access to effects. So these are different effects you can add to your video. When you come to this website, this is the first interface you are going to see. From this interface, you need to click on try for free to sign in with your Google account, and after signing in with your Google account, it's going to take you to this home page. We are going to start with the text to video option on this website. To do that, come down and you will see text to video, or on the left hand side you also see text to video. This website is accessible on your mobile phone and on any device. So from here you click on text to video. Here you select the AI model you want to use. We have the LitAI 1.0, Video.1.5, JMEG.2.0, and we have Kling AI.1.6. Anyone you want to go with, you can select that. For this, let's go with the LitAI 1.0, or you can also use the Kling AI 1.6. So if you select this, then here, this is the prompt area you are going to enter your prompt. Now I'm just going to paste in my prompt. And then you come down here. From here you select your aspect ratio, that is the size of your video. 16:9 is for YouTube landscape video, and then 9:16 is for YouTube shorts. So anyone you want to go with, you can select that. I'll just go with the 16:9, and then I'll come down here. This is the seed. Just leave it the way it is, and then you come down, you select the duration of your video. We have 5 seconds, we also have 8 seconds. So I'm going to select the 8 seconds, and then you come down and here you select the video quality. We have 360p, we have 540p, and we have 720p. The higher the number, the higher the quality of your video. Then you are going to come down, and from here you can enter the auto sound. This auto sound, from the sample I showed you from the beginning, let's just take a look at this video so that I understand what the auto sound means. Now that video that I just played, you can hear the background sound effect under that video, indicating that the car is in motion. You can hear the speed sound effect under the video. That's that for the auto sound. It is not all your video you add this auto sound on. For example, this video I want to generate is a human being video talking, so I don't need to add that auto sound under this video. Then the next thing is the lip sync. So from this lip sync, you can add what you want the character to say. For example, this video,
David, my king.
You can see what the lady is saying. That is the lip sync. That is if you are creating a human being character that can talk, that's when you use the lip sync. But if you are creating AI video of a car or a street or somewhere, then you don't need to use the lip sync. So this lip sync, let me just add this. Then you need to select the AI voiceover artist you want to use to speak under your video. So click on it, and from here you can listen to this AI voices, how it sounds like.
Been through a lot. Life has become more steady.
So if you like that, then you can select. For this, I'll just use the Williams. So I'll select that, then you come down, and here you can select style. But for this, we don't want to use any style at all, so we'll just leave this style. Then you come down, you can add negative prompt. That's what you don't want to see in your video. You can then add that. After that, you come down and click on create. After some few minutes, we have our video ready. Let's just take a full preview of this video that we have just generated.
God, my kingdom is gone.
So that's the video. So we can go ahead to download this video by clicking on the download button here. The next one is the image to video. If you want to use that, then on the left hand side here, click on image to video. From here you are going to upload your image, and then from here you enter your prompt. After that, then you can add auto sound and lip sync also. It's also the same thing, just that this you are going to select the image you want to animate. So these are some images I was able to animate on this website. Then another one is the video to animation. So click on video to animation. So from here you upload the video you want to change to an animation. So let's just upload a video from here. After uploading your video, then come down here, select the style you want to change this video into. So we have different styles available here. We have the Ghibli animation, clay, cyberpunk. So let's just select the first one here, then come down, click on create, and after some few minutes we have our video ready. Let's just open this video. So you can see how nice the video is. So if you are okay with the video, you click on this download button to download your video. Then the next one is the AI animation. To access that, come over to the left hand side, then click on AI animation. This works just like the image to video. From here you click to upload your photo. Then after that you come down here and enter a prompt. This prompt is describing what you want to achieve with that photo. Then the next thing here is the size. You select the aspect ratio from this place. Then after that you come down and select the duration, 5 seconds, 8 seconds. Then from here you select the video quality. Then you select the style you want to use. Any of this style, you can quickly select that. So for this, you need to select one of the styles from here. Then after that you come down, you can enter negative prompt. Then if you are okay, then you click on create to get your video. Now the next one we have is the video effect. From this video effect, you can create different effects by using any of these effects. We have the heartbeat keys. So each of any of these effects you want to use, you can just click on it and make use of the effect. So that's not all for this website. This website also gives you access to create AI music. And now let me quickly demonstrate that to you. To do that, come over to the home page of the website, and over here you see LitMedia. Just click on that. When you click on the LitMedia, it's going to take you to this interface. So from here you are going to enter your music lyrics. So from ChatGPT you can generate lyrics for your music. Then you come over here where you see lyrics. So from here we are going to enter in our lyrics, and then we'll come down here. If you need instrument, you need to enable this button if you are looking for an instrumental. So for this, for the style, I'll just enter love music. Then I'll come down here, you enter the name. So for this, I'll call it love. Then come down and click on create. After some few minutes, we have our AI music ready. Let's just play this music so that you can see how the music sounds like.
In your eyes I see my home. With your touch, I'm not alone.
So that's our AI music. You can then go ahead to add this music under anything you want to add. I'll leave the website link in the video description or in the comment section of this video for you to be able to access this website. Thank you guys for watching this video, and if this video was helpful to you, do well to like this video and subscribe to the channel, and I will see you in this video.